Chapter 20 The reason due to which there came to be among the people, the blacks, and the Turks, and al-Saqaliba, and Gog and Magog. I heard Ali bin Muhammad al-Askari saying, Noah lived for 2,500 years. One day he asleep in the ship, so a wind descended and uncovered his honor. So Ham and Japheth laughed, and Sam rebuked them and forbid them from the laughing. And every time Sam covered something which the wind uncovered, Ham and Japheth would uncover it. So Noah paid attention to it and saw them, and they were laughing. So he said, What is this? So, Sam informed him of what had happened. So Noah raised his hands to the sky and supplicated and was saying, O Allah, change the water, seed, of Ham until he does not beget except for the black. O Allah, change the water, seed, of Japheth. So Allah changed the water of their ribs. Therefore, all the black people, wherever they may be, are from Ham, and all of the Turks and al-Saqaliba, and Gog, and Magog, and the Chinese, are from Japheth wherever they may be, and all the white, besides them, are from Sam. And Noah said to Ham and Japheth, Allah has made the offspring of the both of you as followers to the offspring of Sam up to the day of judgment, because he was righteous with me and you're both being disobedient to me. So the traits of disobedience of the both of you would not cease to be in the offspring of you both, in the apparent, nor would the traits of righteousness cease to be in the offspring of Sam, in the apparent, for as long as the world remains. The reason due to which Almighty and Majestic loved the farming and the grazing for his prophets. I heard Abu Abdullah saying, Allah loved the farming and the grazing for his prophets, from the deeds professions, so that they would not dislike anything even a drop from the sky. Abu Abdullah has said, Allah did not send a prophet at all unless he grazed the sheep, in order to learn by that grazing, hurting, the people. Chapter 20 The